Is chronic pain shaped by more than just biology?
The world can be a dangerous place, from burning yourself while frying bacon to stepping on a rogue Lego brick. Pain alerts us to threats in our environment.
When we experience pain, electrical signals travel through our nerves to our brain, allowing us to perceive the harmful stimulus. If we do get hurt, pain sticks around to keep us from disrupting the healing process. However, the system can become dysfunctional, and the pain can last longer than it takes to recover. This is known as chronic pain, which is pain that lasts more than 3 months. Chronic pain can negatively impact a person's quality of life, and it can contribute to mental health issues beyond the physical discomfort of the pain. Let's dive deeper into how chronic pain can stem from more than just our physical bodies. Chronic pain affects nearly 21% of adults in the United States each year. It can result from a wide range of illnesses like cancer, diabetes, and arthritis. But a person's health outcomes and quality of life are also deeply shaped by social determinants of health. Broadly defined, social determinants of health are the conditions people are born into and live within, such as access to resources like stable housing, education, income, and healthcare. These factors can influence how likely someone is to develop chronic pain and how well they're able to manage it. In fact, research suggests that these social determinants of health can sometimes outweigh genetic influences on health. Chronic pain worsens when stress is high, like during burnout or financial struggles, or when protective factors like exercise, hobbies, or relationships are missing. Without access to the resources that support mental and physical well being, many people are left to suffer without relief. Other aspects of a person's identity can influence how chronic pain is treated and ultimately shape their health outcomes. For example, gender stereotypes influence how often and how well pain is treated, even when symptoms are the same. One study found that cisgender men were twice as likely to receive narcotics for pain relief 3 days after coronary bypass surgery, a common procedure done after a heart attack, compared to women who underwent the same operation. Whether these differences stem from bias against women's pain or a lack of scientific understanding of sex differences in pain, the impact on patient care is real. Many other factors, like race, ethnicity, sexual orientation, and others, can also influence how people with chronic pain are treated in the healthcare system. Finally, the ability of chronic pain sufferers to seek care and receive effective treatment plays a big role in how they experience pain. When someone is in pain all the time and nothing seems to help, it can lead to something called learned helplessness. Learned helplessness is a psychological phenomenon where repeated, uncontrollable hardship leads individuals to feel powerless. Over time, this mindset can actually change how people experience pain, making it feel more intense or harder to manage. It can also impact motivation to seek care, thus creating a cycle that reinforces the pain they're experiencing. In this way, chronic pain becomes not just a physical condition, but a deeply emotional and psychological one. Chronic pain is difficult to treat because everyone experiences pain differently, and it can come from so many different sources. Currently, scientists are still learning more about how pain works and how it can be treated, particularly when it becomes chronic. To improve care, we need to implement a more well rounded approach that goes beyond just the physical symptoms. Scientific research, medical education, and clinical practice must consider both the structural factors that contribute to pain and the factors that influence patients' sense of control in managing their pain. By addressing pain from this multifaceted approach, we can move closer to developing treatments that work for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that content, be sure to check out our website at c2st.org.